friends, we have dépassé Morges. Morges in English. In French, Morges. Morges is over there. This is Morges. So we are coming from over there. Far, 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 far. And we are going over there for have the night sleep. First food, canna, and then sleep. Still no wind, but full fun.
Dernier petit bout à la voile.
La voile, il y a du vent?
Ouais, petit souffle.
Alors c'est go. Il y a du vent. There's wind.
Harbour of Saint-Pré. Enjoy.
Day 2, we are leaving Saint-Pré and going direction Nyon along the coast. Today the weather is sunny, a little bit wind, but it's in the morning time, so maybe after the wind is Cello Pakistan. See you later. The wind is there, my friends.
Je recule le chariot.
Je recule le chariot.
Regarde ce que ça fait en haut.
Ah oui, d'accord.
Recule, recule, recule. Voilà, puis maintenant tu tires sur la corde.
Atcha. C'est le moment des plans hallucinants qu'on ne pourra jamais faire nous.
So we are going to reach the port of Caen. No, not Caen. Roll. Port of Roll. And we're gonna meet David and Sandra. David is my best friend, Sandra is my sister. It's over there. Ah, sorry, I have a cigarette. Yes, I know. We are near the French coast. French coast, over there. We have a little bit wind. You can see in the sails, a little bit wind. But, and after we are going in this direction, hopefully there's more wind over there. Om Namah Shiva. Yeah, nice. Little bit cold today.